Good morning, students. Welcome in Pharmacognosy Practical. Today I will start the experiment number 5. An experiment is to study the morphological and microscopical characteristics of cinnamon bark. Okay. In previous practical, we have studied the about the compound microscope, then uh, how to cut the section, then staining and mounting, then and study of the microchemical reagents. Okay, now see the experiment number 5, that is to study the morphological and microscopical characteristics of the cinnamon bark. Okay, in that prior concept is the section cutting technique, then staining, mounting and observation of transverse section of cinnamon bark seed. Okay, new concept is the proposition first, morphological characters, then proposition second, microscopical characters, proposition third is adulterants. Okay, in proposition first, morphological characters, it includes the organoleptic characters and extra features. Organoleptic characters, color, odor, then extra features, taste, okay, and fracture. These are the organoleptic characters. An extra feature, bark is a free of cork, then single or double, that. Okay, then proposition second, microscopical characters, it includes the observation of important tissue component of transverse section of cinnamon bark. Then proposition third, adulterants, in that it is debasement of genuine crude drugs which proved harmful. Okay, the learning objectives, intellectual skill and motor skill. In intellectual skill, ability to interpret the result tissue component. Okay, ability to interpret the tissue component. Then motor skill, in that ability to prepare thin transverse section of cinnamon bark. Then second, to handle and observe instrument and crude drug correctly. And third is the labeling different component of cell. These are the motor skill. Then requirement of this experiment, first apparatus, microscope, watch glass, then camel hair brush, glass slides, cover slips, beaker, dropper, then filter paper, forceps, test tubes, then test tube holder, tripod stand, wire gauge, dissecting needle and sharp razor, etc. Then chemicals, fluoroglycerin, then concentrated HCl, iodine solution, glycerin, ruthenium red solution, etc. And crude drug, cinnamon bark. Okay, these are the requirement of experiment number 5. Now see the diagram of cinnamon bark. Here are the plant of cinnamon bark. These are the plant of cinnamon bark and these are the cinnamon bark. Okay. Synonym of cinnamon bark. What is the synonym of cinnamon bark? English, cinnamon bark, and Hindi, kalmi dalchini. Okay. Kalmi dalchini is the synonym of cinnamon bark. Then biological source of cinnamon bark. It consists of the dried inner bark of shoots of copious trees of Cinnamomus xylonicum nis. Okay. It consists of the dried inner bark of the shoot of copious trees of Cinnamomus xylonicum nis. Okay. Then it contains not less than 1% weight by volume of volatile oil belonging to the family Luraceae. And family of the cinnamon bark is the Luraceae. Okay. Biological source. What is the biological source? It consists of the dried inner bark of shoots of copious trees of Cinnamomus xylonicum nis. Okay. Then it contains not less than 1% of weight by volume of volatile oil and belonging to the family Luraceae. Then microscopy. In that, organoleptic characters, color of cinnamon bark is outer surface dull yellowish brown. Then odor, fragrant. Odor of cinnamon bark is fragrant. Then extra feature, then then taste warm, sweet and aromatic. Then fracture, splintery. An extra feature, bark is free of cork, single or double, then closely packed compound squills. Okay. Organoleptic character in that color, outer surface dull yellowish brown and inner surface darker in color. Outer surface dull yellowish brown and inner surface darker in color. Then odor, fragrant, taste warm, sweet and aromatic. Then extra features, bark is free of cork, single or double and closely packed compound. Closely packed compound, quills and fracture, splintery. Okay, these are the organoleptic characteristics of the cinnamon bark. Then microscopy. Microscopy of the cinnamon bark. Here are the TS, that is transverse section of cinnamon bark. In these tears, cork present, then cortex are also present, then starch present, pericyclic fibers are present, then scleroids present, then secondary phloem are present, then acicular raphides. Acicular raphides are present, then medullary rays present, then oil cells present, then phloem fibers present, then left side of diagram, compound quill of cinnamon are present in that outer quill, then middle quill and inner quill. These are the tiers of cinnamon bark. Okay, in that pericyclic, that is stone cell layers. Pericyclic means stone cell layer. It produces the light colored wavy, then longitudinal lines on the outside of the bark. Then pericyclic fibers, small group of about 6 to 15. So small group of about 6 to 15 pericyclic fibers lignified occur at the intervals. Okay. See, here are the pericyclic fibers. Small group of about 6 to 15 pericyclic fibers, that is lignified pericyclic fiber occur at intervals. Okay. Then scleroids. These are the scleroids present in the TSO, transverse section of cinnamon bark. Scleroid is the 3 to 4 layers of pitted scleroids. 3 to 4 layers of pitted scleroid, thickened lignified walls, isodiametric, slightly elongated tangentially, and these are the U-shaped thickening with starch grain. U-shaped thickening with